Do you have an hour-long vlog just collecting dust on your hard drive, waiting for the day you finally have time to edit it? Imagine taking that single long recording and turning it into a full week's worth of snackable clips that actually get views. You spent days shooting interviews, B-roll, and great moments, but editing them into shorts feels like a mountain you can't climb. Many long-form creators struggle because they produce great content, but social platforms only really reward short, punchy videos. Most people end up either paying an expensive editor, spending their entire weekend inside editing software, or just giving up entirely. That is exactly why I want to talk about Vizard, a tool that changes the game by turning your long footage into a library of content. It is an AI-driven system that finds the most engaging moments in your raw files and automates the clipping process for you. I know it sounds like one of those claims that is too good to be true, but stick around and I will show you how it actually works. Think about the usual pain points, scrubbing through an hour of footage just to find one witty one-liner or a crucial tip. Even after you find the clips, you still have to add captions, create thumbnails, and format them for 3 different social platforms. That manual process is an entire day of work, but with this workflow, you can cut that time down to just a few minutes. Step 1 is simple, just upload your long video directly to the platform so the AI can begin the heavy lifting. Step 2 involves the AI scanning your video for high-energy segments, topic shifts, and the most visually interesting moments. Step 3 is the magic. It spits out a batch of short, ready-to-post clips that are already optimized for vertical viewing. Step 4 lets you glance over the results and make any tiny manual tweaks, like changing a title or a cover frame. And Step 5, you just schedule them, sit back, and watch as your content calendar fills up completely on autopilot. To prove it works, I tried it on a 45-minute interview, and the software returned 12 distinct high-quality clips. 2 of those clips were absolute gold and ended up driving way more engagement than anything I had edited manually in the past. Now, it is vital to be realistic. This is not a magic wand that can turn boring, poorly lit, or quiet footage into a viral sensation. The AI is a smart editor, not a miracle worker, so you still need to ensure your framing and audio quality are up to par. When you compare this to traditional manual editing, the efficiency difference is really night and day. Dedicated freelance editors are great, but they are expensive and often take days to turn around a single project. Other AI tools might slice videos based on volume, but they often lack the nuance of captions and proper platform-specific formatting. Vizard stands out because it bundles auto-editing, auto-scheduling, and a content calendar into one single cohesive place. This means you get a real publishing strategy. You tell it how often to post, and it handles the rest for you. If you are a podcaster, you can upload the full video, let the AI find the best takeaways, and push them as reels or shorts. If you make tutorials, you can easily turn a single long video into a 10-day miniseries that is consistently branded. You can also batch process customer interviews to surface the most persuasive quotes and build instant social proof. Consistent posting is the secret to growth, and this tool helps you keep that pace without burning yourself out. Here's a pro tip. During recording, keep your top-line message clear so the AI knows exactly what points to highlight. Also, try to use a clean intro and exit in your long videos, as rambling at the start can confuse the AI's clip detection. Always take a quick glance through the suggested clips to add your own creative touch or change the thumbnail. You can even batch apply your logo or a specific outro to ensure every single clip looks consistently like your brand. It is important to know where this tool trips up. If your video has long, slow silences, the AI might miss the subtle context. And if you need heavy color grading or complex motion graphics, you will still want to rely on a traditional editor for those. Think of this platform as your volume-boosting editor for social growth, not a replacement for high-end post-production. When it comes to platform fit, Vizard handles the resizing for you, saving you from manually reframing everything. The suggested captions are often a great starting point, and they save you hours of typing time every single week. And the scheduling feature is a lifesaver, as you no longer need to juggle spreadsheets or manual upload reminders. The content calendar gives you a perfect bird's-eye view of exactly what is going live and where it is being posted. This is a game changer for small teams who cannot afford a full-time video editor but need to stay active. Instead of posting one long video and calling it quits, you can now generate a dozen micro episodes from just one shoot. Growth does not come from random posts, it comes from consistent delivery, and this workflow helps you keep that promise. Follow these simple steps. Pick a video, upload it, review the clips, schedule them, and then monitor your performance. If you are a serious entrepreneur or a creator looking to scale without the burnout, this is the solution you need. It will not replace your creative vision, but it will massively accelerate the boring, repetitive parts of content creation. So stop letting your best long-form work sit unloved and hidden away on a dusty hard drive. Use the right tools to amplify your message, find the moments that matter, and keep your social feeds alive and active. If this video helped you think about how to scale your content, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Go try it on just one video. Watch how your consistency changes the algorithm math, and I will see you in the next one.